market check real quick. So this is CoinGecko.com. CoinGecko.com is basically one of the platforms that we use, one of the websites we use to track the whole cryptocurrency market. And right now it's at 3.3 trillion. The overall market cap is down 1%, which means we are in a downtrend. We're in a downtrend market. So over the last 7 days, we're up. Last 24 hours, Bitcoin's up. Over the last hour, Bitcoin is down. If you've been watching Bitcoin for the last few months, then you've seen it go over 100,000 a few times. You've seen Ethereum shoot to 4,000 and come back down. You saw XRP hit $3, Solana hit 250, so on and so forth. You've seen Doge shoot up. You got to see all this. If you're watching the market, if you're in the market, then you're noticing some of these things that I mentioned. And I know a lot of people still don't understand how to read a chart, how to look at the market. So I got my trading view up just to highlight that. Since I said we're in a downtrend market right now, I want to illustrate what that looks like. Right. So this is trading view, and I'm just going to pull up the ALGO chart, and just to give some clarity, some perspective to a few people. So my birthday is October 16th. Just to give us a benchmark, right? My birthday is October 16th. So in October 16th, 2024, Algorand specifically was 12 cents. And we're real big on the Algorand blockchain. We use it to teach and explain and show people how blockchain works, how crypto works, how to do the transactions, how quick and efficient your transaction should be. So Algorand was 12 cents at that time. Then it shot up to 60 cents. So that's almost like 5 times your money, 500% gain. So, almost 500%. So 450% roughly, right? If you've been with me since October until December, you would have seen this uptrend that we had to enjoy. And it was not just with Algorand. This uptrend was with Bitcoin, with XRP. Everything pretty much shot up from October to December. So if you would have been invested in the market, you could have made profit there, cashed out, won, been happy, and went about your business. But for me and a lot of other people, we are not just doing this to make a quick buck. We're doing this for the long term. So in the long term, you would have been able to make this profit, these gains here. But then if you stretch it out to the current day, you would still be up 161% if you just held on. And usually when the market starts to drop, you buy the dip. So you had some here, you would have been buying all the way here, continuing to buy. So you'd have even more compounded. But let's say you didn't. Let's just say you held it and you didn't look at it until today. You would still be up 160%. This is way more than you would have earned in a bank account in a few months, more than you would have probably earned in your stock portfolio in a few months. Regardless of how much you have, it wouldn't have been the same type of returns. So I just want to stress the importance of being in the market and riding it out, riding the waves, holding steady, staying focused on your choices, on your investments, regardless of its ALGO, if it's Bitcoin, if it's real estate, whatever your choice of investment vehicle is, you must be prepared to ride it out to actually see the good results, right? And it's going to have its ups and downs. So for those who still don't know, all of these green candles are buys, which is why you see it shoot up so much over those few months, because people were buying into the market. Red candles mean people are selling. They're selling out of the market. They've either taken profit, or there's somebody that's probably scared because they see it's going down, or they heard some bullshit news and they just going off of what they hear. So I don't go off of any of that. I bank on all of these buys and sales. So just looking at this chart specifically, there's been a lot of buys and sales. And even after all of the buys and sales, I would still be in profit. You would still be in profit. If we go from October right now to January, you would be in profit just based on for this. And this is not forecasting anything. I'm not betting that it's going to go up or down. I'm simply using this chart and looking at the track record. This is what has already happened. Based on what has already happened, I can see that I'm in the clear, I'm in the green, I'm winning just based off of the track record. Most people are trying to bet that, oh, this one's going to do good, that one's going to do better. And this is how a lot of people lose. They chasing these, imaginary numbers in their head instead of using more hardcore facts, numbers, and data. And it's right in your face. I'm showing you the track record, who bought, who sold, how much they bought, how much they sold, when they bought it, when they sold it. And you can just bank on the fact of somebody's going to buy, somebody's going to sell. So Bitcoin under 100,000 is a clear buying opportunity for me. All of cryptocurrency is a buying opportunity, but that's when you start to get deeper into figuring out which one is good, which one is bad, why is it good, why is it bad. Those are the things that we go over inside the community just to help people understand. Litecoin under $100 is great. So if it's over, I would say wait for a dip. But I like Litecoin under $100 personally. And this is an older one like Bitcoin, Ethereum, but I got my eye on it for some of the stuff that I've read about. XRP's goodbye, only because it's going to be helping with the SWIFT payment. So SWIFT is integrated XRP. So if you understand how banks and governments wire money to each other, XRP is basically the cryptocurrency that's going to be used for that. Just to keep it simple. The same system that they use to send money from America to China is not really sending money. It's more of a messaging system. For those who don't know, it's basically communicating. John Doe here sent money to John Doe there. Once it gets there, they confirm it on both sides, but XRP will make all of that happen instantly. As much as I don't like Solana, Solana's good, one, because it has a lot of volume, a lot of transactions, a lot of hype around it. And then they got a couple of, they got the meme coins going hard. So Solana goes real hard with the meme coins. Those are the coins that people actually make a lot of money and people lose a lot of money. So it's more popular for that. It gets a lot of buys and sales, a lot of transaction just because of that for people that are trying to basically gamble on crypto. Right. And that's my opinion, because I know some people would disagree, but Solana's only so popular because people are buying and selling meme tokens over there like crazy. And that's just what it's known for. That's just what they do. BNB is basically copy and paste of Ethereum. You can create your own smart contracts on there. And this is one of the reasons why I always encourage people to do their own research on these different networks, right? These are all different assets and they're all different networks. They have different values. They do different transactions. And the only way that you can actually take advantage of any of them is if you're actually knowledgeable of what it is, what it does, and how it works. So that's your market check. So every Monday and Friday, y'all, I'm going to be going live on Zoom. So the morning come up is going back to Monday and Friday. So for anybody that's not familiar with it, don't know about it, that's what y'all need to know. The morning come up will now be Monday and Friday, 10 a.m. Central Time. And on the morning come up, we're going to go over the market, what's happened in the market over the last week. And then we're going to go into some of the things that we teach or talk about inside of the Block Cycle School community. For those who don't know what the Block Cycle School community is, let me show you that. This is where we're teaching about DeFi, teaching people how to become their own private banks, how to get invested in digital real estate using cryptocurrency, how to pay their bills, basically just how cryptocurrency works, what it is, what it does, and what they can do with it. All right, just a quick run through. You get a basic starter kit. You learn how to create passive income. You get the real estate. We just included the credit building cycle. So for those who are looking to get rid of collections and negatives on their credit profile, or to just start building their credit profile up, we got something that's cooking with that. And then it's $49 a month for access to this. You can do the 7-day free trial. So if you can tell me someplace else that'll let you learn how to make money for free for 7 days, show me. But that's what Block Cycle Labs is offering people, the opportunity to see how they can start generating passive income every day. And you get a 7-day free trial.